Hello, savvy investors. Welcome to Christine's Finance and Investment channel, the channel dedicated to helping you navigate the exciting world of investing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart. Why buying US stocks is like investing in the world? We're going to break down how the US market gives you a piece of global action, from tech giants to consumer goods, you name it. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets of global exposure right here in the US of A. Let's face it, folks, the US economy is a behemoth. It's a colossal force that drives not just national, but global markets. Every tick of the clock on Wall Street sends ripples across the world. It's the biggest, baddest economy on the planet, and its influence stretches far and wide. From the skyscrapers of New York to the bustling markets of Tokyo, the US economic pulse is felt everywhere. When the US sneezes, the rest of the world catches a cold, right? This saying holds true because the US economy is deeply intertwined with global trade routes, impacting everything from commodities to currencies. But here's the thing, this global influence is a goldmine for investors. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the opportunities that arise from this interconnectedness. Think about it. When you buy US stocks, you're not just buying into American companies, you're buying into global powerhouses. These companies have a footprint in nearly every country, making them resilient and diversified. These companies, whether they're tech titans, industrial giants, or consumer champs, they're all making money hand over fist overseas. Their global operations mean they're tapping into emerging markets and established economies alike. They're selling their products, their services, their innovations to every corner of the globe. From smartphones in Asia to machinery in Europe, US companies are everywhere. And that, my friends, is where the real magic happens. The synergy between local expertise and global reach creates unparalleled opportunities for financial success. Because as these companies grow internationally, so do your investments. Your portfolio benefits from their expansion, capturing growth from multiple regions. It's like riding the wave of global growth, all from the comfort of your own brokerage account. You get to participate in the economic activities of various countries without leaving your home. So remember, when you're looking for global exposure, don't overthink it. The US stock market offers a unique blend of stability and growth potential. The US stock market is your one-stop shop for tapping into the world's economic engine. It's a gateway to global growth, providing access to the best companies and the most dynamic markets. By investing in US stocks, you're essentially diversifying your portfolio with a global perspective. It's a strategic move that can yield significant returns over time. Financial analysts often emphasize the importance of global diversification, and the US market is a prime example of how to achieve that. It's a robust platform that integrates global trends and local expertise. So, take the plunge, explore the opportunities, and let your investments ride the wave of global growth. The world is your oyster, and the US stock market is your gateway. Now let's talk diversification, baby. One of the beautiful things about the US economy is its incredible diversity. We're not a one-trick pony, folks. We've got everything from cutting-edge tech to world-class healthcare, from energy behemoths to consumer giants. It's like a buffet of investment opportunities all under one roof. And trust me, this diversification is your secret weapon against volatility. See, when one sector of the market is down, another one is usually up. It's like a seesaw of opportunity. And the US market, with its vast array of industries, gives you the power to ride those ups and downs with confidence. You can spread your bets, diversify your portfolio, and sleep soundly at night knowing that you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. So, embrace the power of diversification, my friends. It's the key to building a resilient portfolio that can weather any storm. All right, let's talk about liquidity, that beautiful word that makes the investing world go round. The US stock market is like a giant swimming pool of liquidity, folks. It's massive, it's deep, and it's always open for business. And that means you can buy and sell stocks with ease whenever you want, without worrying about getting stuck. No need to wait for the right buyer or seller. There are always plenty of fish in this sea. This liquidity is a game changer, especially if you're a short-term trader or if you need to access your money quickly. It gives you the flexibility to move in and out of positions without getting killed on transaction costs. And that, my friends, is priceless. So, remember, when you're investing in the US market, you're not just investing in great companies, You're investing in a market that's liquid, efficient, and always ready to trade. It's like having a financial superhighway at your fingertips. Let's face it, folks, the US is a breeding ground for innovation. It's a place where ideas are born, nurtured, and transformed into groundbreaking realities. We're talking about the birthplace of Apple, Google, Amazon, Tesla. The list goes on and on. These companies didn't just appear out of nowhere. They were built on the dreams and hard work of visionaries who dared to think differently. And this spirit of innovation, this relentless pursuit of the next big thing, is what drives the US stock market to new heights. It's a dynamic ecosystem where creativity meets capital, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. See, when you invest in US stocks, you're investing in the companies that are shaping the future. These are the companies that are not just participating in the market, but are leading it, setting trends, and pushing boundaries. You're investing in the companies that are developing the technologies, the products, the services that will change the world as we know it. From artificial intelligence to renewable energy, these innovations are paving the way for a brighter, more connected future. And that, my friends, is where the real money is made. It's not just about the profits. It's about being part of something bigger, something transformative. Because innovation is the lifeblood of growth. It's the engine that drives progress, fuels economic expansion, and creates opportunities for everyone. It's what keeps the economy humming, it's what creates jobs, and it's what drives stock prices higher. The ripple effects of innovation are felt across all sectors, from manufacturing to services, and everything in between. So, if you want to be on the cutting edge of the investment world, look no further than the US stock market. It's a place where dreams are turned into reality, where the impossible becomes possible. It's a hotbed of innovation, and it's where the future is being written. Every day, new ideas are born, new technologies are developed, and new opportunities are created. So, ride the wave of US ingenuity and be part of the future today. Now let's talk about stability, folks. When it comes to investing, stability is like a warm blanket on a cold night. It's what gives you peace of mind. It's what lets you sleep soundly at night. And the US financial markets, despite their occasional roller coaster rides, are among the most stable and transparent in the world. We've got a strong regulatory framework in place, thanks to the SEC, that helps to keep things fair and square. We've got a long history of economic stability, which gives investors confidence. And we've got a deep bench of financial institutions that are committed to keeping the markets running smoothly. So, when you invest in US stocks, you can rest assured that you're investing in a market that's built on a solid foundation. It's not going anywhere, folks. It's a beacon of stability in an often uncertain world. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, folks, the US dollar. It's the world's reserve currency, the king of the financial jungle. And that, my friends, gives us investors a distinct advantage. See, when you invest in US stocks, you're investing in assets that are denominated in US dollars. And as long as the dollar remains strong, so too will your investments. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about currency fluctuations? Well, here's the thing. The dollar's status as a safe haven currency means that it tends to hold its value during times of global uncertainty. In fact, it often strengthens when other currencies are weakening. So not only are you investing in a stable market, but you're also investing in a currency that's built to weather the storm. It's like having a built-in safety net for your investments. Now let's talk about the bottom line. Folks, performance. Performance is the key metric that every investor looks at when deciding where to put their money. At the end of the day, we all want to know one thing. Will my investments make money? This is the ultimate question that drives every financial decision. Well, when it comes to the US stock market, the answer is a resounding yes. The US stock market has a long history of delivering positive returns to its investors. Over the long term, US stocks have consistently outperformed other asset classes. Whether you compare them to bonds, real estate, or other investments, US stocks have shown superior growth. We're talking about decades of growth, folks. This isn't just a short-term trend, it's a long-term phenomenon that has been observed over many decades. And while past performance is never a guarantee of future returns, it's a pretty good indicator of the potential that lies ahead. Historical performance gives us a glimpse into what might be possible in the future. See, the U.S. economy is a powerhouse, and its stock market reflects that strength. The resilience and innovation of the U.S. economy are mirrored in the performance of its stock market. It's a market that's driven by innovation, by growth, and by a relentless pursuit of excellence. Companies in the U.S. are constantly pushing the envelope, striving to be better. And this drive fuels the stock market. And that, my friends, is a recipe for long-term success. When you have a market driven by such factors, the potential for long-term gains is significant. So if you're looking for a place to put your money where it has the potential to grow, look no further than the U.S. stock market. The opportunities here are vast and varied, offering something for every type of investor. It's a proven winner, and it's ready to take your portfolio to the next level. With the right strategies and a bit of patience, the U.S. stock market can be a powerful tool in your investment arsenal. So, investing in U.S. stocks means tapping into a global powerhouse. You're getting exposure to worldwide industries, a diversified economy, a large and liquid market, and the stability and innovation that the U.S. is known for. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay informed, and never stop learning. Join us next time for more insights into smart investing.